How to create a YouTube channel. If any day any of you are a YouTube user and you would like to create a YouTube channel, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very YouTube application on your mobile device. You have to find the very YouTube application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search YouTube. After you search YouTube, you have to tap on YouTube like this. After you tap on YouTube like this, YouTube will be launched in your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the section of you on your very YouTube application, and then you have to go to the settings like icon here. Otherwise, you can go to your profile like icon or go to the next icon, that is the icon of switch account. After going to the option of the switch account, now you can switch to any of the account from where you would like to create a channel of. So you have to choose the very account here from where you would like to create a channel. Now, after you switch it to the account from where you would like to create a channel, now you can see the next interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the next interface like this appears. So after the interface like this appears, in order to create a new channel, you have to go to your option like this. And after that, what you have to do is you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to tap on your profile like this. And then you have to go to the next option. That is, here you can see the option of create a channel, and you can create a channel and you can create any of your content on your device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.